If you listen to how people talk about AI and data right now, it sounds like the hardest part is choosing the right model. Bigger models, smarter models, more agents, more automation. But that's actually not where most AI efforts break down. The real problem is much simpler and much harder to fix. It's missing context. Welcome to Between the Columns, quick, practical videos from Atlan that make modern data concepts easy to understand. AI can process enormous volumes of data, but data on its own doesn't explain what it represents. It doesn't capture intent, meaning, or boundaries. That's where metadata comes in. Metadata is the layer that explains what the data actually means. It defines business concepts, relationships, calculations, ownership, freshness, quality, and constraints. It's the difference between seeing numbers and understanding a story. Take something as basic as a metric called revenue. Without metadata, AI has no way of knowing whether that number is gross or net, before or after refunds, recognized or billed, daily or monthly. Humans fill in those gaps instinctively, but AI can't, so it infers. And that's where things start to go wrong. When metadata is missing, incomplete, or inconsistent, AI doesn't stop. It fills in the blanks with its own interpretation. So you don't get obviously wrong answers. You get confident, well phrased answers that only reflect part of reality. That's why metadata isn't just helpful for AI, it's foundational. It's what constrains interpretation. It tells AI not just what the data says, but how it should be understood and how it should not be used. In practical terms, metadata turns raw data into machine-readable context. It makes meaning explicit instead of implicit. And that's what allows AI to represent the business accurately instead of creatively. So if you want AI to tell the whole story, not just the loudest signals or the easiest patterns, metadata isn't an afterthought, it's the prerequisite. Because the future of AI isn't about throwing smarter models at more data, it's about giving those models the context they need to understand what they're looking at in the first place.